Hey there, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a question that I get asked a lot. Can you deposit cash with Novo? Now, I know that this might seem like a pretty basic question, but it's actually a really important one. After all, if you can't deposit cash, then you can't really use your Novo account for much, right? So, let's get started. What is Novo? Before we get into the nitty-gritty of cash deposits, let's take a quick look at what Novo is. Novo is a fintech company that offers a variety of banking services, including checking accounts, debit cards, and overdraft protection. One of the things that makes Novo unique is that it doesn't have any physical branches. Instead, all of its banking is done online or through its mobile app. So, how does cash come into play? Now that we know what Novo is, let's get back to the question at hand. Can you deposit cash with Novo? Unfortunately, the answer is no. Novo does not currently offer the ability to deposit cash directly into your account. However, there are still a few ways that you can get cash into your Novo account. Use a linked bank account. One way to get cash into your Novo account is to link it to another bank account. Once your accounts are linked, you can transfer money between them. Use a mobile check deposit app. Another option is to use a mobile check deposit app. This allows you to take a picture of your check and deposit it directly into your Novo account. Use a prepaid card. You can also add money to your Novo account by using a prepaid card. Simply load the card with cash and then use it to make a deposit into your Novo account. Use a wire transfer. Finally, you can use a wire transfer to deposit cash into your Novo account. This is a more complicated option, but it may be necessary if you're dealing with large amounts of money. Additional tips. Here are a few additional tips for depositing cash into your Novo account. Be sure to use a clear and well-lit area when taking a picture of your check. Make sure that the check is endorsed correctly. Be patient. It may take a few days for your deposit to process. While you can't deposit cash directly into your Novo account, there are still a few ways to get cash into your account. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any other questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And that's it for today's video. I hope you learned something new about depositing cash with Novo. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more financial tips and advice. Thanks for watching.